Psychology of people who are clean freaks. Have you ever met someone who just can't relax until everything is spotless? The kind of person who sees one crumb on the table and suddenly that crumb becomes a mission. The floor must shine. The shelves must be straight. The bed must be perfect, not one wrinkle allowed. But here's the real question. Are clean freaks just obsessed with cleaning? Or does psychology reveal something much deeper? Stick with me until the end because what cleaning really says about a person might surprise you. It might even explain you. 1. The anxiety releaser. For some people, cleaning is not just a task, it's therapy. When their mind feels messy, they clean their room. When their thoughts are overwhelming, they organize the closet. Psychologists call this the anxiety relief cycle. When you clean, you create order, and that order calms the brain. Every dish washed and every pillow perfectly placed tells the mind, it's under control. You're safe. They don't clean because they love it. They clean because chaos triggers anxiety, and tidiness quiets the storm inside. 2. The control seeker. Life can feel unpredictable. Work, relationships, emotions, none of them follow the rules. But the kitchen? The kitchen can follow the rules. Cleaning gives control. When everything has a place and everything is in that place, their brain finally feels steady. Psychology calls this the order-control link. When a controlled environment helps a person cope with the parts of life they can't control. So the spotless room isn't just clean. It's proof they can handle life. 3. The high achiever. Some people see a clean house not as a preference but as a standard. Perfection matters. Excellence matters. They believe if something is worth doing, it's worth doing perfectly, even vacuuming. This is tied to perfectionism and achievement identity. Their environment reflects who they are. A messy room feels like failure. A clean room feels like success. They don't just want clean. They want flawless. 4. The trauma organizer. For others, the need to clean comes from the past. Maybe they grew up in chaos, an unstable home, unpredictable parents, constant stress. Psychologists say the mind then creates a rule. A safe place must be a clean place. So as adults, they clean not to impress anyone but to protect themselves. Every perfectly folded towel is a tiny piece of safety they build with their own hands. 5. The clarity seeker. Messy space equals messy mind. Clutter steals focus. Visual noise makes thinking harder. People with high mental clarity needs clean to sharpen their thinking. They don't want a room full of distractions. They want a place where ideas can breathe. To them, cleaning isn't about the floor, it's about clarity. So what does all this mean? Clean freaks aren't obsessed. They're self-aware. They're not trying to impress others. They're stabilizing their world. They don't clean because they're weird. They clean because order gives them peace. Structure gives them strength. Cleanliness gives them confidence. Clarity gives them focus. Control gives them comfort. Behind every spotless counter is a mind that craves safety, success, and calm. So don't mock the clean freak. Don't tell them to relax. They're already relaxed, that's why they're cleaning. Question for you. Which one are you? Do you clean to calm your mind? To feel in control? To reach perfection? To feel safe? Or just to think clearly? Tell me in the comments. I'm curious which type you are. If this made you understand yourself or someone you know a little better, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next psychology video. We decode everyday behaviors, so you can finally understand the mind behind them. See you in the next one.